Hey there! Are you looking to understand what mutual funds are and how they can help you grow your money? In today's video, we'll break down mutual funds, explain how they work, and why they're a great option for both new and experienced investors. Let's dive in. So, what exactly are mutual funds? In simple terms, a mutual fund is an investment vehicle that pools money from many investors, just like you, and uses that combined capital to invest in a diverse mix of assets, like stocks, bonds, and other securities. These investments are then managed by a professional fund manager who makes decisions on your behalf, based on the fund's goals. Think of it like a big basket filled with different types of investments. When you invest in a mutual fund, you own a small piece of that basket, and the value of your investment grows or shrinks depending on the performance of the assets inside. Now, let's talk about the core idea behind mutual funds: diversification. Instead of putting all your money into one single stock or bond, mutual funds invest in a range of assets. This helps spread out the risk. So, if one investment doesn't perform well, the others might perform better, helping balance out your overall risk. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. By pooling money from many investors, mutual funds can invest in a wide variety of assets, things you might not be able to access on your own. For example, you could invest in international stocks, bonds, or other markets, all through a single fund. Now, let's talk about some of the benefits of mutual funds that make them an attractive option for investors. First up, professional management. One of the biggest perks of mutual funds is that they're managed by professional fund managers. These experts research the market, pick the best assets, and make decisions based on their knowledge and experience. This means you don't have to worry about researching or picking individual stocks yourself. For many investors, this can be a huge advantage, especially if you're new to investing or don't have the time to manage your own portfolio. Next, accessibility for all investors. Mutual funds are a great option for both small and large investors because they often have low minimum investment requirements. Whether you're just starting with a small amount of money or you have more to invest, there's likely a mutual fund that fits your budget. This makes mutual funds an easy way for almost anyone to get started with investing, even if you don't have thousands of dollars to begin with. And finally, the potential for growth. Since mutual funds invest in a range of assets, they offer the potential for higher returns over the long term. While there's always some level of risk involved, the diversification and professional management typically provide a balanced risk-to-reward ratio. Mutual funds are designed to help you grow your wealth over time, especially if you're looking for a long-term investment strategy. So, to sum it up, mutual funds pool money from many investors to create a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets. They offer professional management, making it easier for investors to grow their money. They're accessible for all types of investors, even those with smaller budgets. And they have the potential for solid growth over time. Mutual funds can be a great way to build wealth with less effort, especially if you're looking to diversify your portfolio without having to manage every single investment on your own. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, comment with any questions you have about mutual funds, and subscribe to our channel for more investment tips and financial advice. See you in the next video.